babies, I am super excited because today is like the first day of 12th day of Christmas. That is basically me giving away to you guys small giveaways throughout my whole social media. I'm gonna be doing on my Instagram, 3 on my Twitter, and also on my YouTube channel. The first one today is gonna be here, so if you guys are interested on that, please stay tuned to the end to find out my little giveaway, which I'm super excited to give back to you guys. And if you have not entered on my huge giveaway, it ends on the 16th. We have what, like one more day or something like that, so make sure you guys head over there and enter. The rules are super simple. Just be subscribed to the channel because hello, you want to be part of the family. Anyways, you guys, today I have for you a drugstore version of a glamorous look that we're going to be doing here. All drugstore, starting with Profusion, is their holiday wanderlust palette, and these colors called my name, honey. Holy shit, let me do my brows first. My brows are done. By the way, you guys, I'm using my old lens just because the newer lens that I had was making so much noise and it's not focusing as well, so I'm like, bitch, bye. Okay, anyways, let's get right into this. Let me know how you guys like my new lens. Like, is this okay? I feel like I'm further away and it's more wider, and I actually like that. I don't know why, because the other one was like so up in your face. I was so freaking close to the camera and my face looked just like poof. And of course, you guys know I always go in with some concealer to conceal the eyes, so that's what I'm doing first. Yes, and I like to use a dual fiber brush just to blend that in. Can we take a look at his brows? They look good. Next, I'm gonna take this shade Enigma, I think that's how you say it, and it's a very dark shade. I'm trying to go for some blue tones, whatever. I'm gonna start on the crease. You guys know that's how I roll. I'm just gonna dab. I'm gonna like heavily apply this shade as well. I've been trying really hard, you guys, to move away from like super warm tones and try to create more looks using different colors as always, but you know me. So again, you guys, I'm just going around like that, applying this shade all over the crease, and this color is actually really pretty. I feel like I haven't used blue shade in a while, so I'm excited for this. Okay, you guys, so please let me know in the comments if you're interested to see on my channel like more drugstore makeup. Do you not want me to do makeup at all? What the fuck do you guys want me to do? Like, I really want to know, because I really want you guys to like watch my videos. If not, like, you know, like what's the whole point of me sitting here doing my makeup and you guys are not watching it at all? So please, like, what drives you to come back and like keep watching my stuff? I hope it's not only the giveaways, because that would be so upsetting. I'm gonna start blending that on the upper crease. Ooh, the color mix, I honestly don't like it. Should I change it, you guys? Yeah, I don't think that color mixture is not working. And I'm like the best at fucking up looks, so you guys know that already, right, about me? Whoa, excuse me, rude. What is happening here? And of course, we're removing this look, you guys, because it did not went well whatsoever. So now we're starting all over, and I'm starting with the shade Retro. I like this shade, it's super pretty. You guys know I love purples. Well, maybe not so much. I love every freaking color. Anyways, moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this on the center, well, on the crease. I'm gonna send it out as I mentioned to you guys. I'm just gonna pack it really on there, making sure it looks really nice and vibrant, and then I'm gonna start blending that with the next shade that we are going to be using, which is the shade called Regal. I don't even know how to pronounce that. And using a brush M506 from Morphe, I'm just gonna dip that into the color and just start applying that right on top of that shade that we just blended onto the crease. And again, we're gonna be extending these colors outwards. See how much pretty this look, you guys? Some color cannot just blend together, you know what I mean? Like, sometimes it just doesn't work. So oh my god, you guys, you know what I've been dying to do is a draw my life. You guys will freaking love that because my life is pretty damn crazy. Like, you guys probably don't know much about me, especially my new subscribers. Welcome. Hello, how are you? My name is Sassy. You guys don't know a lot about me, and I feel like that video will be super interesting, but I need to find somebody that knows how to like draw or like do that drawing stuff. I really don't know how that works. Like, I need to figure that out, and I will definitely have that hopefully by the new year. Then you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take a clean brush and just start brushing the edges of the eyes of the far crease, blending that really upper crease right there. That is so cute, like but as always, you guys know I really like to pack these colors on, so I'm just repeating the steps a little bit more, a few more times, just because I really want this to pop. And for some reason, I really want to apply this shade, so I'm just gonna go for it. And it's called Go Girl, so we definitely gotta go girl. It's your birthday, go girl, it's your birthday. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right on the crease, like right above that edge. You see what I mean? Like, I feel so anxious. I don't know why. Like, not the good anxious, but like, ugh. I truly fucking hate that feeling, you guys, like so much, because it's literally not something that you can like just get rid of. It's something you can help but feel it, and it's just there, you know. But I feel like I'm very strong-minded when it comes to like feeling down or feeling like anxious. I always like, I feel like I'm really good like calming myself down, you know, just because I've been through this through my childhood. Again, you guys don't know much about me, but okay, you guys, after all that blending, we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease. You guys know the drill. I always have to cut the crease. So I'm using a little bit of concealer. It's from NYXcosmetics. It's one of my favorites to cut the crease. I feel like it just cleans a very nice canvas. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. Using the same palette, of course. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is such a pretty shade. You guys just look at that, how beautiful. Majesty. I don't know if I should mattify this look first or wait. And I'm gonna be adding that on the front of the eyes right here. There's like one little spot, you guys, that the pigment is not like sticking to. I don't know what the fuck. And next, you guys, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is called Nimbus, and I'm adding that to the rest of the eye. Oh, this is actually not as dark as I would like it to be. Okay, so I'm just taking that green shade and applying a little bit more here because I'm not liking the way it's looking. I think that's better. And of course, you guys, adding a little bit of the majestic shade on the brow bone as well. And of course, you guys, we're gonna go back and create a wing now with concealer as well. So I'm starting from like right around here, literally just using concealer. And now, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here, and I'm gonna start adding that to the beginning of the eye. So I'm basically just adding the same shade, you guys, that I used on the crease. So now we're gonna go in with the shade Regal, and lastly, I'm gonna add the shade Go Girl. So you guys, I honestly don't know what to add at the end. And of course, as always, I up the look, so why do I need to add extra stuff? Just for what? What if I put some glitter, you guys? Like, I really hate that wing line that I created. It's like horrible. What if I put a little bit of pink glitter on there, you guys? Let's see if I could try that. And I'm using this pink glitter. Okay, you guys, it definitely looked way better now. I feel a little bit more relief because I get a little crazy when things don't go when I work so hard and things just don't go my way. Like, what? Okay, you guys, so I started applying some concealer under my eyes because we're gonna start with under the eyes, on my lower lash actually. What the hell, under the eyes. First, I'm gonna start adding the Retro shade on my outer lower lash, and I'm bringing that only halfway through, and then I'm gonna start the next shade, which is Go Girl. And I'm gonna begin applying that right under there, and now I'm gonna start blending the lower lash, the shade Statement. You guys, I'm obsessed with brushes like this, like angle brushes that are a little bit fluffy. This is from Luxie for my lower lash blends. I don't know, I just love how they blend and how they just like fit right onto those curves. And of course, I'm just going back a little bit once again with the same shade that I applied first. So that's pretty much it, you guys. And now for my waterline, I'm gonna add some pretty hot pink shade just because this look is very like out there. I don't know how not to do a like not out there look, you know? Really trying to settle down on my looks and like more wearable looks, because to be honest, who the hell's gonna wear this? Like, dime, who, where, why? But I'm just applying some hot pink lipstick on my waterline. Hopefully I don't get some irritation. And now, you guys, let's go ahead and apply some lashes. Okay, you guys, so for primer, I'm using this Infallible Glow Lock from Loreal. And I honestly don't know how I like this. I haven't used it in a very while. Maybe I'll use it tomorrow again to see how I test this out, because I have an event tomorrow. So maybe I'll just use this to see if it lasts, if it's good. And I'm using a stippling brush, dual fiber brush, just to blend this into the skin. It definitely feels really nice, you guys, like very hydrating. And for foundation, you guys, I'm actually going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. And I know this is embarrassing because I only have a sample, but I don't care. Literally, it feels so cold. And I'm going to take a little sponge and then just blend this in. Oh my god, I'm so cold. I feel like this is so lightweight, like you can barely tell that I'm using foundation. To bronze top the face, you guys, I'm using this LA Girl concealer in Beautiful Bronze. Is one of my favorite ones. And I actually like to use a brush to blend this in. And now for concealer, I'm going to be using the Revlon Candid Photo Finish concealer in the shade Medium. And this is pretty much almost like my skin tone, you guys. And it's like really yellow. I don't think you could tell in camera. It's actually really, really yellow. And I'm also going to be using the Revlon setting powder, and this is in the shade Translucent. I think I'm going to get rid of this only because of that, because of the packaging. It's so bad. I feel like that actually ended up making my under eye way darker. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of those two because they just don't work for me at all. I'm gonna try, you guys, to fix this a little bit because I really hate the way it's looking under my eyes. I don't know why, just like not my favorite. So I'm gonna try a little bit of this Skin Hello by Absolute New York, which is also a drugstore brand, I believe. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna be using this as a bronzer on my cheek just to like bronze up and give me a beautiful glow. Let's see how that's go. I don't know how I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face with this Covergirl Look Lacquer. And I'm gonna go back to the Pixie plus Dulce Cant palette. You need something, hon? I'm almost done. And I'm gonna be taking these two shades right here. For the best part, the giveaway is going to be this right here that you will be winning. And for a chance to win, the rules are super simple. All you have to do, you guys, is be subscribed to my channel to become part of the family, and also thumb up this video and share it, please, because it helps a ton. And then make sure you guys comment down below, because that's the only way I'll be able to contact you guys. So I hope you really enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one.